What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to take a look at Blason's armor box for the brand new iPhone 14 Plus. If you're looking for the most protection for your brand new phone, this case is definitely going to give it to you, and it's got a built-in kickstand, and it comes with a really cool belt clip to keep everything in place. And they're also military grade drop tested, so you know that it's definitely going to protect your phone even if you do drop it. Now I will also be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use that link to make this purchase because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So here is the case. This is the armor box. Again, this is in the clear. I think it looks pretty neat. Again, it comes with this nice little belt clip that is really nice and sturdy. Has a rotating clip on the back that rotates 360 degrees. Very cool. And here is the armor box itself. It is a two-piece design, so it's got an inner layer that you can take out, put over the phone, and then you put the phone inside the case, and it's totally protected all the way around. So all you need to do is peel out the inner liner, just kind of like this, then peel off that inner sticker. Now you want to make sure that your phone is totally clean before you put this on. Okay, now all you need to do is put this over your phone, just like this, press it into place. Then we'll go ahead and take that whole thing and put it inside the case itself. And there we go. So now your phone is totally protected 360 degrees from the sides, the front, and the back. Feels nice in the hand. It's nice and grippy. Buttons are easily accessible and they are clicky. Very nice. It has some really nice beefy edges, so in case you happen to drop your phone and it hits the edge, your phone will definitely be protected. As far as the touch goes, no issues with the touch. Everything is working fine. And as far as Face ID, no issues there either. If we turn it to the side, as you can see, it's got a nice raised edge all the way around the phone. It doesn't add too much bulk, but again, you're getting a really nice protective case. It's got a nice texture on the side here for grip. It's got your separated volume buttons, and it's got your covered mute button here, just like that. On the other side, you have your power button. On the bottom, you have your cutouts and the covered charging port on the bottom. On the back here, it's nice and clear. It is nice and hard and frosted, so it doesn't show any fingerprints, but yeah, you can still see the color of your phone. Nice design. It's got these nice little rubber nubs on the back, so when you put your phone down, it won't touch the case. It's got a nice little recession to protect your camera lenses, and it's got that stand so you can put it in landscape or portrait mode in case you're doing some Zoom meetings or something like that. Very nice. And then it easily folds right back up, or you can just push it into place. Now, as far as wireless charging goes, no issues there either. So if you want some really nice protection, the Blason armor box is definitely the way to go. I absolutely love the way that this case feels. I love the way it looks, and it's got the functionality of that kickstand. So again, if you guys want to pick it up yourself, I will be putting a link in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use that link because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.